Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami parrot. It is a very beautiful model, of course a very colored one, and is a little larger than the last parrot I made. It's basically made from large pieces and only the beak and the legs are from small pieces. I hope you enjoy this kind of larger model and complex. I will try to make more tutorials like this. Please make comments, share my videos and hit the like button if you like this kind of tutorials. In the picture you will see this parrot on a brown support. You will find a link in the description of the video. It is a support for an older model, but it's a very beautiful one. Now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. This is the rectangular of paper for large 3D origami pieces, 5.2 by 3.7 centimeters. I use normal printer colored paper, 80 grams per square meter. And if you are a beginner and you do not know how to cut the paper and how to make these 3D origami pieces, please look in the description of the video. You will find there a very good tutorial for the beginners. And now I fold in two like this, and then again in half. Now I bring this part over the middle line here, where we have the fold line. We repeat on the other side, and if you want to have good quality pieces, the distance between these two parts of paper must be very small. Now we turn the paper and we fold these small corners here and repeat on the other side. And now we bring this paper over and we will have a triangle. Now we fold in half and the 3D origami piece is finished. But you can see there is a large difference between these two pieces, and now I will transform this. I use 5 or 6 pieces connected together in a row, put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or maybe with a pen give a very nice round shape to our 3D origami piece. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. We start with red pieces, and in the beginning I will show you how I glue. I use paper solid stick glue. You can find this in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pockets. Now it is a little too much. This can be a problem. Like this it is much better. And then connect pieces like this. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. These pieces, especially in the large complex models, will fall apart. I will not show you when I make the model in tutorial because I work faster without the glue, but I will show you again one more time. Put some glue inside the pockets and then connect the pieces. Now we will put one red piece here, then we connect pieces like this until we have 7 pieces in the first row, 6 pieces in the second, and 5 pieces in the third row. Now we have 5 pieces in the first row, 2 more, and now I will repeat 7 pieces in the first row, 6 in the second and 5 in the third. Now we increase, we put 1 piece in this empty edge here, then 1 piece above, and again 1 piece in this edge, like this, and we repeat on the other side, 1 piece in this edge, then 1 here, and again 1 piece in this empty edge. And now we have 7 pieces in the first row, 8 pieces in the second, and 9 pieces in the third row. Now we will try to close the row here, and first we connect 2 pieces like this, and then we put 1 piece here and another one here. We have 2 pieces in the first row and 3 pieces in the third row. Now we connect here like this. These empty pockets here we will put on this last edge here, and we repeat on the other side this last edge in the pocket like this. And now we have 2 more pieces in this row here. Next we put 1 piece here, 1 red piece here, and another one on the other side. Then we put 2 white pieces here, and again 2 white pieces on the other side. And now here we increase the number of pieces, and here we put 2 red pieces. And now here we have 11 pieces in the last row. Next we put 1 white here, then 1 black, now we increase. We will increase, we put 1 piece here between this white piece and the red one there. And now we put 1 white above and then 1 red. Now we increase again, 1 red piece between these 2 red pieces here and 2 normal above. And here we increase again, 1 red piece between these 2 and 1 normal red and 1 white above. Next we put 1 black, 1 white, and now here we complete with red pieces. 4 red pieces. Do not forget to glue. And try to not push too hard these pieces here. Do not break the round shape of this first row of pieces. For this model is quite important to make the pieces like me, the round shape kind of pieces. And now we have I think 14 pieces in this last row. When you put pieces like this in rows, it is very good to alternate the direction of the rows. Okay, if you put in one row the pieces in this direction like this, for example, and in the next row you put the pieces on the other direction like this. And now we put two pieces here, two white pieces above the black one, and here will be the upper part of the head, and this the lower part. Here we will have the beak of our parrot. And now we put another one white here. We have 3 whites, then 3 red pieces, and again 3 white ones like this. And here we complete with red pieces. Like this. Next we put 2 white pieces here, then 4 red pieces, now again 2 white, and here we complete with red pieces. Now we put the model like this with the lower part of the head here, the gap. And now we put one red here when we have these two, one white, one red in the row below, and then we put another 2 reds. Then we let 2 edges free, and then again 3 reds here. And you must be careful to have symmetry. This must be on the middle, and again 3 pieces here before this white piece here, and the same thing on the other side. Now we put one piece here and then another one there, and here we increase with one piece. We put one piece between these two here, and then 2 red pieces above. One normal red piece, and then we increase again, one red piece here between these two, and then again 2 red pieces above. And now the last 2 red pieces here. And in this row we increase with 2 pieces here, and we let this space free here. Next we start again here from the lower side, and we let again one free edge here, and then we put pieces like this. Now we close the row here on the lower side, and when I say close the row, I mean that where we have three edges from different rows like this, and we put one piece, one edge from the last row and one edge from the previous row. I hope you can see. And you repeat on the other side again, this edge and this edge here, like this. And then we put pieces like this. We put 6 red pieces after this one, 6, and then here you can see on the middle we increase again with one piece. We put one piece here between these two pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 normal pieces above. And then we put again 6 red pieces. Repeat, be careful. When you increase, you must be exactly in the middle of the head of the eyes. Now we start again on the lower side of our head, and we will close. Here we put one piece in this edge and another one on the other side in this edge here, and in the next row we will cover this gap. And after this we put the rest of the row normal red pieces like this. Now we close this one here. We put one piece in these two edges. And then we complete the rest of the row with red pieces. And the last one here. Now we have 17 pieces in this last row, and now we put an entire red row. Next we put again 17 red pieces. Now we have 17 pieces in this row, and we increase with 6 pieces, we increase to 23. And first, here on the middle, we put one normal piece red like this, exactly in the middle of the head, and then another one red here and one on the other side. Then we increase, we put one piece in this edge and another one in the next edge. We repeat here, one edge and another one. We increase with 2 pieces, only with one piece, but we use 2 pieces in this last row. Now we put 2 normal pieces here, and we repeat on the other side, again 2 pieces. Then we increase one piece in one edge and one piece in the next edge. We repeat on the other side, one piece in this edge and another one in the next edge. Then we put 2 red pieces, again 2 normal red pieces on the other side. Then here we increase with one piece here and one piece on the next edge, and then only one normal here. And now we have 23 pieces in this last row. Now we put one blue here on the line with the eye, then another one blue, then 8 normal red pieces, we have 8 red and then 2 blue. We check a little bit for the symmetry, and now we complete the rest of the row with red pieces.